And if you want to know how to get this look with your synthetic wig, keep watching this video. And if you're wondering who the heck is that talking, that's my 8-hour girl Jessie, and I'm your girl Destiney.Arianna, and this is another episode of Hair and Heart Talk, sponsored by BeautyExchange. I'm still recovering from laryngitis, but that's not gonna stop me from getting you all these wig reviews, girls. So let's see what we're gonna do today. My bad. Anyway, today we're gonna be reviewing Outre's Airtied 100% fully tied wig. This is a 20-inch sleek Yaki in the color number 1. And please bear with me, girl, if it sounds like I'm out of breath because laryngitis takes your voice away and it's taking my breath. But let's get into this wig construction. Look at how good this wig is. There's a lot of parting space. It comes with baby hairs. The lace is giving HD transparent. What do you think? Yeah, y'all already know how to slap her on. Let's get into the wig card. Okay, this wig also comes in tiramisu, cherry wine, ginger brown, golden swirl, maple swirl, and chocolate caramel. You can see some of the other styles. It is a 13x6 lace with a breathable mesh cap. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Straight on, nothing done, glueless. This honestly isn't too bad. What's your first impression? So what I went ahead and did was pull her over my ear. I just wanted to see if the lace fit without me having to cut the ear tab. And as you can see, it does go over my ear, but I also was able to tuck it back. So I love that it had enough stretch to where I don't have to, which means it is bigger. Wow, what's that? Big head friendly. And yes, so it has a lot of space, but it's not too loose because as you can see, without me actually gluing it down, it was secure. So now I'm going in with my Got2b Spray, spraying the entire perimeter from ear to ear. Next, I tied my hair up and then I put the wig band on and then adjusted the lace where it needed to fit so that it fit good underneath the wig band. Then I brushed the hair out. The hair was super soft. I always recommend if the hair is straight to just brush it out first with your wig brush like this one that I love to use. The hair quality was giving pack hair. You can run your fingers through it. So let's go ahead and take this wig band up. What are you guys thinking? Initial melt. What do you think? I think it was pretty good. I like this wig so far. It's natural. It doesn't seem like you have to give much maintenance. It's a good quality wig. I'm just gonna say that. You see, I flipped it. It's already giving scalp. It gives blowout. Yeah, look, I was feeling myself. What you think? Oh, well, let's go ahead and get into this tile as well as this heart talk. And today's heart talk is going to be about continuing to push through when things are not working out in your favor. So I did a middle part, but I'm doing like a slight side part. You can do yours how deep you want yours. But yeah, like, what do we do when life starts to throw us curveballs and it's hard enough, you know, out here being a woman? What do we do? Do we cry, give up? No. We cry and we keep moving. We be resourceful, girl. At least if you're the type of girly like me, I know you are, because if you watch this content, I know exactly who you are. You keep going, you figure it out. By the way, I just literally made almost a square. I did one part down, one part horizontally, and then one more vertically because I'm just parting out a bayang. And then I'm just gonna straighten it out to make it more uniform. Worship, bro. Had to praise the Lord. He's too good. Next, I went in with my wax stick to go ahead and mold the hair and prep it for hot combing. So just place it wherever you see me place it. But yeah, when life is not working out in our favor, there's always a solution. So it's okay for us to cry it out. It's okay for us to feel those emotions. But when this happens, it's so important to take some time to rest. Take some time to give it to God and get recharged, and then think and go back to the drawing board and figure out what can we do to make the situation better. What can we do to be resourceful and make it easier on us and still be productive? For instance, being a mother, having laryngitis, and trying to work has really been taking me out. I've taken the time to rest, but a mother can only stay down for too long. So what did I do? I got resourceful with this AI, and we're making it happen. And I kind of like this voice. It sounds like me made into a Boondocks character. What do y'all think? Do I need to change her, or are y'all feeling Jessie? But anyways, ladies, what are some ways that you had to become resourceful going through a tough time when things were not working out in your favor, but you made that junk work? Let me know in the comments. Share your stories. I love it when we can relate and, you know, learn from one another. And sometimes it's good to know we're not alone. But that's today's heart talk, and thank you so much for bearing with me. So now I'm just pulling out some edges. So you want to take thin sections and pull it out on the side of your head. I did my part, I think, on the left side. So, but it's up to you. Whatever is your good side, girl. And then just keep on sectioning out the hair until it's thick enough for you. You can either take away or add. And I just like to make it pretty even. Next, I got some Got2b. Slicked my edges down. You know, I always apply the top part and then cut so that they're a little bit locked in place. I swoop those edges to my liking. What I do is I hold it and swoop, hold it and swoop. Okay, I do have an edge tutorial on here if you want to see it. And then I grab the blow dryer, pro tip, and blow dry them in place to lock it in, especially with those synthetic fibers. Look how ashy my hands are. I just had to show y'all. That was trifling. But anyways, you have to blow dry those synthetic fibers in place. This works for your real edges too, and it takes no time. So then I put some more beeswax on the hair because I'm about to put it in a ponytail, hot comb, and then I will go in with my comb again and, you know, just brush it where I want it. So you'll see me doing this a couple times, and that's what you want to do to mold your hair as well. So after I hot comb everything in place, I went ahead and combed it into the ponytail with my comb. I wanted to use a rat tail comb to make sure it gets the fine hairs. You could use a hard brush as well, but that's what I use. Bump it with the hot comb if you have to. Again, I'm not the best at making ponytails, but girl, obviously if I can do it, you can do it too. It's super easy and you're gonna look so cute. So I put it, then twisted it, I brushed it out and twisted it into a bun and used the claw clip to put it in the direction going up. You might have to do it a couple times, but again, it's super easy. Just do it till it looks right. And you see it's already standing up. So I'm gonna take my free spray, spray it, and pick out the little hair to stand as, you know, frizzy at the top and make it a little spiky. And then I'm gonna brush everything out, hot comb those bangs, flat iron those bangs on a low setting. This wig can take heat, which you'll see a little bit more in a second. I cut my bangs to make them straight, as well as the ends of my hair. You don't have to do this, but again, it just makes it cuter. Also, this wig, along with any products you saw me use in this video, can be found at your local beauty exchange or online at mybeautyexchange.com. They can be shipped to you, or you can go pick it up, girl, because they have so many locations. See, I told you this wig was heat safe. I just did a little bumpy bump because, you know, sometimes you can't do too much, but you can make it do enough. You see how it looks cute and uniform now? What are you thinking? I really had a good time doing this style because I saw that I could make such an inexpensive wig look like I just got a quick weave and it was a high quality style. On a synthetic wig, this was such a good synthetic wig. Would you wear it and would you try the style? Let me know. And you can also let me know other styles that you would like to see. Make sure you're following our social medias as well because we'd love to get your input and your feedback. And there's so many ways for us to connect so that we're making sure we're showing you and giving you the tips and tricks, other things that you actually want to see and care about. As a beauty exchange girly, a BX babe. Honestly, overall, I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10. Would recommend. So just watch me finish up. And let me know what you think. Like, share, comment, subscribe, girl. This was the finished look. I also added another video in the car so you can see a different angle. And I'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.